That's right. Come on.
Go, go, go.
Go around again. Go fast so you can make it up. Oh, good job. Good job, Brecken. Good job. Are you going again? Mm-hmm. All right.
Mm-hmm. Push hard. Oh.
What happened?
You just skipping them all? There's all kinds of like boulders in the middle. Oh, you're gonna go backwards? Push, 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 push.
Can't do it.
Yeah. Back up a little bit and get a run at it. Back up. Beep, beep, beep. All right, now go.
Now go fast.
Go, 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 go.
Push, push, push. Oh. Try it again, one more time.
Wait, back up a little bit first. Back up. Keep backing up.
Go over those other hills.
Yeah, do these ones over here. Look, dude.
Driving over rocks.
He's never gonna stay on the track.
You like to ride on those rocks? Keep going. Push, push.
Push, you're there, you're there.
Push, push, push.
You gotta keep your momentum up.
Look at the bobcat first.